Today, we're taking a closer look at the Kirkit 19V AC-DC adapter, a high-quality replacement for the power needs of HP monitors such as the 100% brand new design, making it a reliable choice for your HP monitor. The adapter's input range of 100V to 40V AC makes it versatile, whether you're looking for a replacement or a travel backup. The built-in dynamic IC, charger IC, and power fuse ensure rapid charging while providing overcharge protection, giving you peace of mind when it comes to your monitor's power supply. Featuring a barrel connector, this adapter is specifically designed for HP monitors, ensuring a secure and efficient connection. Its compatibility with various HP monitor models, including the 23ES, 22E, and 24ES, makes it a practical choice for users with different monitor configurations. In terms of special features, the portability and travel-friendly design make this AC-DC adapter stand out. Whether you're on the go or need a reliable power solution at home, the Kirkit adapter has you covered. In conclusion, if you're in need of a replacement or backup power solution for your HP monitor, the Kirkit 19V AC-DC adapter is a solid choice. With its high-quality construction, compatibility with various HP models, and built-in protection features, it provides the power you need for a seamless monitor experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.